Hi, this is Dirk from B&B Auto Sales. Today we're showing you our Chevy C10. Really nice truck. Nice paint on it. Never hasn't even been cut and buffed and still got a great shine to it. So something if you wanted to go over the top with it, you could do that. Probably isn't needed. It's nice enough to show. The interior is great. That is a cover lay. Classic instruments, gauges. Vintage air, classic stereo. Interior's really nice. Doors shut good. Short box US mag, 22 inches on it. Color coded bed liner. Pretty cool. If you're not from South Dakota, but that is an old sticker from back when this was sold new, probably back in the 80s. So pretty cool. I don't have a lot of issues to show you on the paint. Like I said, might be a few little dirt nibs in it, but nothing that I would worry about. Nice truck, runs and drives great, and definitely one you'd be proud to own. 605-695-7391.